Okay, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create the beginning lofted part, except this time we'll be lofting faces together instead of sketches like we did in the last video. And so we'll start by creating the ends of our part. I'm going to sketch on this top plane here, and we'll actually sketch the profile, including the arc of the end piece here. Let me show you. This piece here, we'll actually sketch this on our sketch here. So if you did that right, you should have a sketch that looks like this. And what you're going to do is just extrude this from the mid plane, from the sketch plane with a mid plane extrude, 1/4 of an inch. Okay. And then you'll make a very similar sketch on this plane here. So I'll go ahead and open up that sketch and do that one real quick. So here we are, we're just finishing up this last extrude. So I'll go ahead and close that up. So now we've got these two end pieces of the bracket, similar to what we had in the way that we made it previously, where we had the two end pieces, but they were just rectangles because it was just a straight extrude from this plane here and going out. This one actually has the shape. Now this will save us from having to do an extruded cut at the end, which is nice. It saves us a couple steps if we do it this way. And then so here we can actually go to our loft/base tool. And rather than going through and trying to find a particular sketch like we did last time, we can actually just select this face and we can select this face here. Now, just like last time, this is giving us a little bit of issue. It's not quite going where we want it to, so we'll move it over there. And then we will change the start constraints and the end constraints. Make that 0.5, make this 1.5. Okay. And there we go, we're done. Okay. So this is the same exact part that we had last time, just with a different process. Some of the benefits, this one used less features. The last one we had to do 2 extrudes, the loft, and then 2 extrude cuts, whereas this one we just did 2 extrudes and a loft. So again, depending on the application, you might just want to loft faces together, or you want to do sketches. It doesn't particularly matter because you can get the same result. But again, this particular process will be a little bit faster. And so when it comes to like midterms and things like that, if you really want to get serious with CAD and maybe do it for a career, you might want to be able to find out different ways to make things and see what would work best for a particular situation.